Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View and Talk Tour. And today we got a nice watch face for you all to check out on this Fun Day Sunday watch face review. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, but you got to download ASAP because this one can become free at any given time. I think it was a promo over the weekend. So if you like this watch face, download it right after the video. All right. Now, remember people, tomorrow is the Monday grind. It'll be here in no time, so you got to tidy up on the last day of the weekend. With that being said, let's kick off this. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. The name of the watch face is called Matveyan. It's a nice analog, dressed down, casual watch face that's geared for either the work week and or for the weekend. Definitely, this is something fresh, something different, something new. I really like the design of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. It's going to be in what looks like to be a black theme mode. Now, once the watch face is on, I'm loving the analog hands. I like the design of them. Same thing for the second hand. You got animation going on in the center as well. I like the whole layout that this guy brought to the table with this watch face, starting with the date. Now, you got your date over here in this corner, surrounded by the days of the week as well. And it's going to be lit up to let you know what day of the week it is. You're going to get your battery info here. You're going to be able to tap into, of course, your schedule, your S health, and also your weather. Up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate information, and you're going to also get info on your step goal completed. So now it does have a gyroscope in it, so when you move the watch face a certain way, it will shine and move around. But overall, this is definitely a good look for a dressed down casual watch face for every day. Now it is an active, right? So if you could tap on this, so far as the weather is concerned, same thing for your S health. If you need to go off into your steps, you could do that. And for your schedule, which is your calendar. So my man did a really good job on this one. Again, if you like it, download it ASAP. I thought he got down. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.